Japanese Prefecture Tour with Ian and Akiko, Part 1. Hey everyone, I'm Ian. Welcome to our Japan Geography Tour. Yep, all 47 prefectures, from the top of Hokkaido to the tropical islands of Okinawa.
Hi, it's Akiko. We separated into two videos. In this video, part 1, you will learn where each prefecture is located and what makes it special, like famous food, events, nature, and more.
By the end of this, you'll have real tochikan, a sense of Japan's geography. So when someone says Shizuoka, you won't stare blankly and nod.
And you can share these facts with your friends and family. Ready? Let's go!
1. Hokkaido.
Hokkaido, known for snow skiing, lavender fields in Furano, and fresh seafood like crab and uni, shiuchi, potatoes, ramen, and shiroi kobito, the famous cookie with white chocolate. I've never been to, but I've been to so many Hokkaido special events at the department stores.
Sapporo, right? That's the capital. And they have a snow festival. It has giant ice sculptures.
Yes.
We should go next time we travel to Japan.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Aomori. Next is Aomori.
Yeah, Aomori-ken, famous for apple, some of the best in Japan, and the Nebuta Festival with giant lantern floats. There is underwater tunnel called Seikan Tunnel, connecting Hokkaido and Honshu.
I tried their apple juice. It was life-changing. I still talk about it at parties.
Yeah,
Iwate.
Iwate-ken, it's the second largest prefecture in size, but not many people live there. Famous for temples like Chusanji in Hiraizumi.
Underrated and mysterious. Like me.
Yeah. Miyagi-ken, Sendai-ji is the biggest city, famous for gyuta grilled beef tongue.
Beef tongue? That's so specific.
Yes.
Number 5. Akita.
Akita-ken, known for Akita docks, beautiful snowy landscapes, and a rice used in top quality sake.
Yamagata.
Yamagata-ken, they grow cherries, sakuranbo, and you can visit the temple Yamadera, all a mountain.
Cherries and mountain temples? Sounds like a Studio Ghibli fever dream.
Yeah.
Fukushima.
Number 7, Fukushima-ken. Despite the 2011 disaster, its recovery. It's had onsens, castles, and beaches.
Respect the Fukushima. And also peaches? Yes, please. Ibaraki.
Number 8, Ibaraki-ken. It's close to Tokyo, not as famous. Hairakue is a beautiful garden. Tsukuba University is in this prefecture. Also, Ushikudai with a big statue of Buddha.
Wait, Ibaraki is that kid in class who's quiet but low-key cool?
Oh, yeah, you can say that.
Tochigi.
Number 9, Tochigi-ken, home to Nikko with ornate shrine and monkey. Nikko Toshobu is a world heritage site. I personally want to visit there soon.
Monkeys and temples? At a waterfall, I'll move there. I visited the Bandai Museum in Tochigi. It was fun.
Yeah.
Gunma.
Number 10, Gunma-ken, famous for onsens like Kusatsu and Hikaho. Also mountains, also a cognac producer.
Onsens. That's Japanese for cozy, emotional healing water. 11. Saitama.
Saitama-ken, north of Tokyo. Not super flashy, but it has a great rail museum and a lot of commuters. Crayon Shinja is also famous.
We passed Saitama by bullet train when we traveled to Tochigi.
Yes.
Number 12. Chiba.
Chiba-ken has Narita Airport and a Tokyo Disneyland, and is famous for rakase and pears.
Hold on. Tokyo Disneyland is in Chiba, not in Tokyo? But they say Tokyo Disneyland.
Yeah, like how French fries aren't French.
13. Tokyo.
Tokyo-to, the capital. A mix of everything, shrines, skyscraper, hills. Montayaki is famous. I love Monta.
Tons of things to do in Tokyo. They're releasing something new every month.
Yes.
14. Kanagawa.
Kanagawa-ken, Yokohama is the big city. It has Chinatown and Minato-miyai. Kamakura and Hakone are famous sightseeing locations.
Yokohama feels like Tokyo's cooler older sibling with a job and a boat. 15. Niigata.
Niigata-ken, on the Japan sea coast, famous for rice brand called koshikikari, sake, and heavy snow.
A perfect place to get premium rice and rice crackers.
Yes.
16. Toyama.
Oyamake, amazing mountain views. Tateyama Renpo, alpine route, also known for fresh seafood and Kurobe Dam.
If a postcard became a place, it would be Toyama. 17. Ishikawa.
Ishikawa-ke, Kanagawa is the main city. It has a famous garden called Kenroku.
So it's like Kyoto's artsy cousin who doesn't try too hard. 18. Fukui.
Fukui-ke, dinosaur fossils, cliff Tojinbo, and temples, quiet but beautiful.
Dinosaurs. Say no more. I'm booking a trip. 19. Yamanashi.
Yamanashi-ke, home to Mount Fuji's northern base and lots of breaks and wine. The amusement park Fujikyo Highlander is here.
Mountains and wine? Awesome. 20. Nagano.
Nagano-ke held the Winter Olympics in 1998. Great for hiking hot springs. Haruizawa is one of the hot spots in Nagano.
Also where the snow monkeys bathe, right?
Yes, they are enjoying authors like us.
Life goals. 21. Gifu.
Gifu-ke, famous for Shirakawa-go, a historic mountain village, one of the world heritage sites.
Another World Heritage Site is here. 22. Shizuoka.
Shizuoka-ke, Mount Fuji's southern side. Also green tea and wasabi unagi pie is a famous sweet for souvenirs. Atami is one of the hot spots to onsen lovers.
Mount Fuji, tea, and wasabi. Solid. 23. Aichi.
Aichi, Nagoya is the capital, known for miso dish, and the car company Toyota. Ghibli Park is in this prefecture.
Delicious food and cars. My two personalities. We've covered 23 prefectures so far, each with its own vibe, food, and festivals. You're officially smarter than when you clicked on this video.
半分制覇したね. We covered the half of 47. Now you know where they are located and they are known for.
Congrats! You've earned Tachikan. Use it wisely, or at least use it to impress your family and mildly confuse your friends. If you liked the video, subscribe and tell us which prefecture you want to visit or which fruit you're suddenly now obsessed with. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, part 2.
見てくれてありがとう。またね。